I'm Rajiv Jindal, founder of Bunty LLC. Bunty LLC provides precision machine components, custom-made parts built to print. I moved to Aiken, South Carolina when I was 8 years old. Pretty much grew up in Aiken and graduated from Clemson University in engineering in 1992. I've worked on 5 different continents, and we've always known that Asia was competitive in pricing. What was not in place was, can they meet the U.S. standards for quality? These companies, having worked with multinationals in their own countries, had reached the quality standards to meet U.S. requirements. Now what was missing was, how do you manage that supply chain to bring components and equipment to the U.S.? And that's the idea of Bunty LLC.
What we really want to do is bring that experience, all that pricing, all that competitiveness to you without any of the headache. You don't have to deal with duties, you don't have to deal with fees, you don't have to deal with 3-month lead times. We focus on giving you the parts you want in a globally competitive market.
Luckily, we've had steady growth. We started with a very limited warehouse. Second was a lease space, and now we have a 20,000 square foot warehouse.
We'll store parts, which is big nowadays, especially for people that are trying to cut costs. Carrying a bunch of inventory is not good for them. So what we'll actually do is we'll hold it here, unlike some other places that you'll have to get a quote from, and they'll say it's 4 or 5 weeks. A lot of times customers will call us and say, I need this part, and we'll say we'll ship it out tomorrow.
I really enjoy what I'm doing, and I think it's kind of twofold. One is my customers, I understand, I've walked in their shoes. They're engineers or production managers that need these components. The second is I have an Asian background and I understand our supply chain. When you're doing business internationally on 2 different time zones, 2 different parts of the world, something will go wrong. Bunty LLC minimizes those failures by providing multi-layers of inspections, whether that's locally in our Asian offices and when the product reaches the U.S. And that's what differentiates us.